Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today we are going to see about your DT project. Let us discuss about your topic on DT projects.
Ma'am, our app is about our app name is Valio. That is an app that helps people to get benefits, both mental and physical health. Ma'am. Something can say about the empathy of our app. Ma'am.
So yeah, before getting into empathy, curious to say about the reason why we chosen to design the app. Because like many people are running towards like the sleepless cycle, right? So we thought of creating a solution for them by developing something. So it's something which is easier to develop than creating some other product is an app. So here's a solution. We started to create an app which is like a kind of meditation app which has music in it, like it is dark themed and which is free to use, which has no fees it is. So we can now get into empathy. So the empathy is the sleepless peoples and stress for like not just about the workers but also students who used to who used to go to the colleges or the schools. They will have academic pressures or assignment pressures or whatever maybe. So we thought of creating a solution to all of the workers and also students particularly for them. So we thought of creating an app which is called as Valio. I'll tell the name, like the Valio, which is a Latin word which means I'm well. So let us get into objectives. So when we went into objectives, we started to notice a lot of we went to the reviews in the Play stores. Like people mentioned the UI and UX and the backend development, and the UI and UX were so confusing and they had to pay the rent. So they thought like all the people what they expected is they need something free which is useful for them. So we thought of developing it is free. So we used Flutterflow, which is commonly used in our day-to-day life. So we were we were not experienced with the Flutterflow. So we used to watch videos in YouTube to how to learn Flutterflow, and we started to create the app like using the tools in the Flutterflow, like by using various icons and adding musics in it, and we developed in it. And it's still in the process. The backend is actually in the process right now. We do have its prototype.
Can you show the app?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. So this is our app. So yeah, we have this is our app basically.
Okay, now I'll start with the project. The project name is Redo. Redo is nothing but it is actually an app which gives innovative recipes for leftover food. Okay, the reason provoke us to take this is actually food waste is a very significant concern and lot of people feel frustrated while throwing the food. So we came across a lot of these problems in Thousand Unicorns and we found this problem statement. And then when coming into this progress, we saw a lot of apps in Play Store. They have recipes, but they doesn't have recipes for leftover food and they doesn't have innovative recipes. They have recipes like what we actually do. When leftover rice is converted into ice biryani, lot of people are unable to eat it, like mainly kids. They want something attractive, so we decided to give innovative recipes. Like there are a lot of French recipes and other country dishes in our app. So that is the main reason. And then empathy is like 20 to 25% of food is actually wasted when it is coming out of the factory it is produced itself. Like about 70 to 70% in million tons of food is wasted every year. So we can stop this when we are reusing the food in innovative way. So we created an app Redo which is free to use. It has innovative recipes like for breakfast, lunch as well as dinner, and we also have snacks. There are actually 4 options to go. Okay, and then I'll show you the prototype.
Okay, this will create many ingredients.
Yes ma'am, and also we first display ingredients and then we'll give how to make the dish.
Dish process it will come here.
Yes ma'am, we'll give the instructions, first ingredients and then instructions. What are the things we need to
We
make
have
this?
to insert the instructions.
Yes ma'am. Actually this is very user friendly because it is in only available in English language.
Okay, good.
Okay, next towards IDA, project name is redo, as I told before. Actually, the project goal is we are going to give innovative recipes for leftover food. And then objective, we choose the problem statement from 1000 unicorns, we search for recipes, and then we search for some innovative recipes. We use ChatGPT, Google, etc. for it. And then we started with front end in Flutterflow, and then we done UI UX, and then continued it with backend, and backend is still in construction. Actually, our key partners are restaurant owners, and like restaurant have leftover food, and then we have event managers also as our key partners, and some grocery stores as key partners. So that's it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you students for sharing your DT project. You should develop the backend and you have to complete your project. Thank you.
Thank you.